All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol ONTX, Onconova Therapeutics Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back, and let's jump into this chart. So ONTX stock has actually went into a bearish run. It was a big run upwards. We needed to watch this carefully. I did state that this was a very narrow stretch, but if it broke through one, it was going to just go much further away from it. We could see the bulls reappear, I had stated, but it was something to pay very close attention to. And if it broke through one or the other, whichever one it broke through, it was going to continue in that route. So it broke through support and it just continued to break through newer support levels and newer lows. Now, we also had our resistance here, and resistance was nowhere near being touched. So, for example, if this broke through resistance, I'm not saying it would just shoot up and continue, but it would have held itself up nicely up there, probably came back down, and probably then went into a bearish run, but not went as low. That's probably what would have happened, because the fact of pulling back and profit taking, that was going to be seen. I mean, this was a pretty big run for this stock, really off of not much of news or anything really crazy, just one little speculation and so forth, and it was just kind of hype, and here we are now. Now, if things cool off kind of in a sideways manner around this area in the 60-cent range, it's still holding itself up from the 50-cent range, which means there's some potential here to continue to work its way up, but we need to watch it carefully. So I'm going to emphasize this again, and I want every single investor to keep this in mind. Watch the support level. I think the support level is very important right now in this stock, with profit taking, uncertainty, and bringing itself back to these numbers. So we really need to watch these support levels. So I want every single investor to pay close attention to that. We're going to jump in on this right now in just a moment, but I want you guys to know that I have a Twitter account now. The link is down below. I highly encourage you guys to join me on Twitter, because I will be talking about stocks that pop up on my screener, stocks that I'm watching, and just general discussions about stocks, and also use it as a form to notify you guys on videos that you may have not received a notification on during the day, because YouTube gives me a certain amount of notifications, which is fine, but there's an extra source to receive notifications on these YouTube videos so that you don't miss a single video. Now, I won't blow up your guys' Twitter accounts and notifications with videos. It'll probably be 1 or 2 videos a day, and then I'll do my best to go ahead and stay in touch with you guys through posting different tweets on different stock information throughout the week. Now, I want every single investor to be aware that I'll try my best to be active on there, but I will be active several times throughout the week. Now, I also want you guys to stay tuned till the end of this video. I have a stock that you guys want to add to your watch list, okay? I did a full video on it, so if you're interested on that, comment down below anything that you feel about this video or this stock in particular, or your reaction to when you heard what the stock was and how interesting it is, or did it catch you off guard, or did you already see something like that coming, unless you already watched one of my previous videos. But this stock is definitely a stock to add to your watch list. I'm not there to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold, but I highly recommend adding it to your watch list. So stay tuned till the end for that information. So ONTX support level here is 6204. We're currently at 6430. If 6204 gets broken through, this could start to pull away further away from the 50-day moving average in that downward direction, going deeper into bearish territory, and the next support level would be down here at 5041. So I want every single investor to keep that in mind. 5041 is your next support. So 1604, watch very carefully how quickly it breaks through it, how quickly it pulls away from it, hitting newer lows, or will the bulls reappear and bring it back up. But the lower this goes, the deeper it's going into bearish territory, pulling away from the 50-day moving average downwards, making it much more difficult for the bulls to bring themselves back up into bullish territory. So the tug of war is on right now But if support gets broken through, this is going to continue to get dominated by the bears. So we need to watch that carefully. They were dominating throughout this whole process, but now they've gained leverage by pulling it below the 50-day moving average. On the other hand, we have our resistance, and that's 73.70. If that gets broken through, your next resistance level is up here at 78.94, and then the highest point reached is 96 cents. I would just round that up to 97 if you want, but 96 cents and some change to be exact to the hundreds or thousands place. But before worrying about any of these numbers, 73.70 is the first point that the bulls need to break through, turn that into a support, and pull away from to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. And if they accomplish that, they broke through the 50-day moving average, they broke through resistance, and they're confirming leverage in bullish territory the further they pull up away from 73.70 and from the 50-day moving average, deeper into bullish territory, new highs and new resistance levels. Now, since you guys stayed through the whole video and you guys are waiting for this stock, I highly recommend putting it in your watch list. I'm going to post a video later tonight how I went over some information that you may agree with or disagree with, but it's very insightful, and it's not guaranteed that because it happened one way it's going to happen again, but it is something to keep in mind. And then there's a lot of different catalysts that are going to benefit this stock moving forward into this year and probably the next 2 years. And that is Walgreens, WBA. Write that ticker symbol down. If you want to watch the full video and the full analysis, go ahead and comment down below so I can share the link with you directly, or join on Twitter because I will be posting it there as well. The Twitter link is down below. I'll post it there since there's notifications here anymore for today, and you guys won't miss it there. Or comment in this video so I can go ahead and share it in the comments. I look forward to seeing your guys' reaction to what that ticker symbol means to you. Did you even think something like that? Or did it catch you by surprise? Or is it making you question why Walgreens? Well, I have a whole video talking about it, and there is potential there for your initial investment to double by 2 just based off the charts. But I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just here to enlighten you guys, and I want you guys to add this to your watch list and keep it on your radar and do more due diligence so you can make a rational decision based off of your research. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.